There are some fruits and we want to eat them one by one. So how many possible meals could we have? To find it out, we could just mix them by our hands randomly. But in that case, we would inevitably get repeated combinations and lose possibilities. Instead of that, let's try to use our logic and think a bit. This is obvious that firstly we can eat any of the fruits: cucumber, plum, lemon or apple. Then, if we would have already eaten the cucumber, we could eat something left, like plum, lemon or apple. To continue this logic, we could choose lemon or apple if we would have eaten the cucumber and the plum. And finally, we would get only one fruit left if we would have already eaten three others: the cucumber, the plum and the lemon. Let's take a closer look at this part of the picture. The highlighted fruits make up a potential meal and is just being discussed. To understand this a bit better, let's repeat it nearby branches. So eventually we could just count all the branches and get the result. But way more interesting would be make a formula based on our experiment. Let's remember that all options are divided into 4 big branches. Each of the first 4 fruits gives rise to 3 smaller branches, and each of which further divides into 2 mini branches that are ended with only one fruit. This already looks pretty nice, and way better than just to mix everything randomly. But in mathematics there is a much more compact and elegant way to write this calculation.